Today we'll introduce Zoho CRM. So, about the pricing of Zoho CRM, it's always good to know that it have a forever free plan where you can have 5 users, 5 GB per user, 25 MB attachment limit, which is pretty good. And then there are the paid versions where you'll have much more and also for a very affordable pricing. So there's the light version with 80 pence per month per user per month. So you can have more than 5 users for less than £10 per month. It provides the same hosting but for multiple domains, the free account also for one domain. Most of these are also available for the free account, but the IMAP and POP email clients, where if you want to have like sending email or something like that, you'll need IMAP and POP access for the email clients. This is not available for the free. Larger attachments, that's 250 MB for each attachment, which is pretty huge. All versions have mobile application for iOS and Android, and it's pretty amazing mobile application version as well. Shared calendar is available as well for the free. Maybe resource booking, that's not free as well on the free version. And then there's a £3.2 per month per user per month, which have 50 GB of storage, which is amazing. Also archiving if you have all data that you need to archive. And the attachment of 1 GB per attachment, which is also pretty huge. And then there's the workplace, where you get lots of multiple user features. But right now what I'm going to introduce is the free plan. You can have any of those free trial for 14 days, I think. So now we're going to take a look at how you can manage your business through Zoho Mail. Also, Zoho have lots of application for marketing as well. We're gonna explore them one by one through other videos, but right now we're focusing on the mailing and the Zoho Mail. So as any other email provider, you can have a new email and the other boxes of email but the thing is, the newsletter and the notification email, this is very helpful. It's different from other providers, where newsletter you can get sort of junk email, but it's sort of helpful junk email. It's not like the spam where there is a spam. The spam is the box where you provide certain domain names that go directly to the spam, while the newsletter have sort of advertisements, but maybe helpful advertisements, so it's capped at the newsletter that you can move to spam or move to inbox, but it's very helpful to get notification from the newsletter box as well. Okay, and then by creating a new email, you have the sender. If you connected your domain name to the Zoho inbox, you'll send it directly from your email, but right now it's not connected to the inbox, to the domain. I'll check later from the account how you connect your domain to the Zoho Mail. So it also provides you with sending email even if you don't have an inbox, but it's at zohomail.eu. But later you can have it like connect your domain to the Zoho Mail, and then you can send from your email as well. Okay. Okay, then 2, where you can have the receiver email and CC as well, the subject. You can also schedule an email where you can send later. Okay, they're saying that I don't have an test@test.com. So if I'm sending later, I can specify the subject testing, and then I'll send later. So if you want it to be sent after 10 minutes or after 1 hour or tomorrow or next week, so you can custom date, or it can be recurring, like daily or weekly or monthly. So if you're having a newsletter that you send to several emails, you can have a recurring email where you can schedule when do you want it to be sent. Also selecting the time zone. Right now it's GMT, but you can set the time zone on whatever time zone you need. So if you right now you can send up to 200 or I think 250 emails per day from Zoho's email. So if you're sending like multiple emails and you don't want to get notified that you're doing something wrong or something like that, you can schedule sending an email every 10-15 minutes. So then you can be able to send a bunch of emails in one day if you're not using a CRM, or if you're not using Zoho campaigns. You can just send it from your inbox one by one, and then you can sit and relax and you get your email sent automatically. The other thing is you can fix your calendar from Zoho email, where you can schedule your meetings, schedule your appointments, schedule your emails as well if you have something like that. So it's easy to put a calendar on your email. It's pretty helpful, and it's easy to use, and with multiple colors as well. You can connect attendees from your business. If you're using multiple users and all 5 users, for example, are using here, you can add participants in this event, and then it appears on their calendar as well. Or you can have external users that you can synchronize with your calendar, and you get notified as well, and you get an email for their notification. Another feature that you can add, it's tasks. You can add a task for yourself or one of or mention, as you can see, mention someone from your team. Okay, so right now the tasks are open. You can select, for example, add Helmi, for example. Then I have myself, or you can mention anybody you want to mention in this scope. So it's easy. This task is open. You can change this task. You can make it pending, or you can change anything you want on this task. Then you can add notes, and the beautiful thing about adding a note is, like right now I'm gonna create a new note. It's hello note. Okay, so you can just add some notes for yourself, but the good thing is that you can send it in an email. For example, you write an email and you put it in the notes for maybe later if you want to send or not, based on some criteria that you put for yourself. So you can send it directly in an email, and you send an email, then the notes is written in the body of the email, so you don't need to rewrite or copy or paste or something like that. You can add someone to this field, or you can move the note. You can do it as a sticky note, print it maybe. So it's pretty helpful what you can do with the notes, and it's always useful to have your notes on your desktop, so you can always remember what you're here to do. Sometimes you just open your email and then you get stuck with loads of emails, and then you're unable to see what you are going to do. So it's easy to just put it in the notes, then start checking your emails, and then you get back to your notes later. Contacts, right now I didn't import any contacts, but you can import any contacts from, as you can see, from a file from Microsoft or from Google, or you can add one by one. Adding some contacts to your email as well. It's I think all service providers have that, but here in Zoho it's easy to connect with Zoho CRM and with Zoho Campaign, and then you will decide that you can do whatever you want with these contacts. You can also link it to the forms in Zoho web developer. Then you can easily fill the submit leave your users to fill the submit form, and it's directly connected to your email. Okay, and on the right side of the email you get some features as well. So this is the settings of your email. If you want to change the name, if you want to change the type, if you want to change the signature, if you want to change anything, it's right here on the right side of your email. Then here are all the attachments that you've had. Maybe you can you want to check a file that you just got, or a contract that you want to update or something like that. Here in this attachment viewer, again the calendar. So here's Zoho Desk, as I was saying about the notes, everything you can have on Zoho Desk and other features as well. Zoho is having lots of applications that you can use, and it's easy to have right here and right now. The second thing I'm going to talk about is having your Zoho email account, where you can see which groups are you part of. For example, if you want to create a new group with some of your colleagues, or if you're a single owner for a business and you have some of your employees coming new, you can add them to a group to introduce them to Zoho email. This is your organization where you start it up. Maybe you can put some documents as templates that other users may use for templates for emailing, for document sending, and maybe if you're putting lots of offers and purchase orders, you may be having some templates for those, and you can put it here as well. Back to the profile. Here I'm setting the time zone for UK and GMT, so maybe you can have another profile. My email addresses, here you get the primary email address for this organization as well, and also if you're signed in with another email address outside your domain name, you can just have it as a primary email address. When we go to the admin console, if you're the admin for this group, basically you're starting your own Zoho email, so you're the admin for that. So for that you have all the data about where's your how many domains. For a free account you have only one domain, but for paid accounts you have more than that, much more than that, and you can try that for the upgrade. It's free 2 weeks trial, so it's easy. Right now you have 5 users, and the maximum licenses for the free account is 5, but starting any paid account, it starts by 30 licenses and greater, so it have a large capacity and large scalability. Now I completed 20% because right now I don't have the domain connected, I don't have the calendar connected, and so on and so on. So here's the storage for each user that I have on my domain, so I know each user is using how much of their capacity, and it's easy to monitor all of my users. I can also view any report if we sent, like, how many emails did we send this week or this month or all the past year, so I can know the activity of all my users, if they're coming, any spam have been coming, or the traffic that I'm having anyway right here. Okay, as you can see, my dashboard, I can replace the location of each of my dashboards, so I can do it in the way that I feel more comfortable. Here are my domains. I don't have any right now, and the organization with the name and the organization ID. I can put also my logo here for the identity. These are my users. I can add, remove, invite, and so on. Maybe I can delete some users, I can add some new users, so it's totally up to me what do I need to do with this user, which the last sign in for each user. So it's pretty helpful to know when was the last time one of my users access to their email. I can also migrate my data from other platforms to here and vice versa, so it's pretty easy. The email settings here that I was saying, the POP3 and IMAP location, because if you're gonna link it to your domain, you need to have IMAP and you need to have SMTP. So here are they, but they're if you want to link it to a cold emailing provider, you need to have a paid account or at least the trial version. These are the max files for Zoho, and also the SFP file, the SPF file. So this is all that we have for Zoho email right now, and we're gonna talk about other Zoho products later, but for this video, this is all you need to know about the emailing. So watch us on the other videos, and please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.